Hi, I'm Steve Small, inventor of the Med Manager pill organizers and owner of Forethought Products. In this short video, I'd like to introduce you to the product, the features you'll appreciate, and how it can simplify the daily task of managing your medications or nutritional supplements. I designed this product with durability and ease of use in mind, or with some forethought. One of the most important features of an organizer is how the lids are attached and opened or closed. I chose not to use living hinges or a thin plastic section that connects the lids to the containers. You probably know from your own experience that the plastic cracks and breaks due to fatigue of continually flexing it open and closed. With our ball and socket hinge design, the lids are unlikely to crack and break off, as you may have experienced with other pill organizers. For material, we use a food grade polypropylene plastic. It's an excellent material for this application and it's free from BPA, phthalates, leads, or any other nasty hazardous materials, which we test for in an independent lab. It can also be hand washed with mild soap and water when needed. I chose to emboss the lettering directly into the plastic with a glossy large font against textured background. Although ink printing has better contrast and readability, it doesn't last very long. As you may have experienced with other products, ink on polypropylene doesn't adhere well and it can quickly smear, smudge, or rub off entirely. The lettering on our product will always be there for you over the long run. I looked closely at the ergonomics and mechanical functions and tested several design iterations with different users. It's actually a delicate balance between making the lids easy enough to open for most people, but also at the same time understanding the importance of reliably holding the lids closed so they don't accidentally pop open and the pills end up being scattered at the bottom of your purse, pack, or luggage. Each lid has an elongated tab in the front that can be easily lifted to open the compartments. What seems simple for most people can be painfully difficult for those who suffer from arthritis, weakness, or dexterity issues in their fingers. The lids were designed such that a spoon could be used to assist in opening if needed. Another advantage of the hinge design is that it allows the lids to swing open fully and stay out of your way when you're inserting your pills. You can quickly and easily fill up multiple organizers. Knowing that many people take multiple meds or nutritional supplements several times a day, the compartments have plenty of capacity to meet your needs, even with larger pill sizes. Here you can see some examples of the sizes and quantities of pills that can be held. The lids have a positive snap closure that you can hear, and that gives you assurance that they're fully latched. When you go to get your pills out of one compartment and turn the organizer upside down, you can feel confident that the lids on the other compartments will remain closed. Accidents do happen to the best of us. We conducted drop testing of the closure design to assure that when our organizer hits the floor, as long as the lids are snapped shut, they'll stay that way, and the pills are not going to explode open and scatter all over your floor. With the canister that's included, there's some extra convenient storage space at the center in which you can keep some other items, like a small pill bottle, an inhaler, eye drops, or cotton swabs. Stored in the canister and with the cover placed on top, your meds or vitamin supplements will stay fresher as humid air is kept out. I think you'll appreciate the quality, usefulness, and durability of this design. Thanks for viewing this video, and I hope it's helpful to you when you decide upon the purchase of your next pill organizer.